Hello everyone, Wizards here. Today, I'd like to talk not really about hacking, but about something more around it. Yeah, I think you get that right by the background. Today, we're gonna install Kali Linux and overall prepared for hacking. We add hacking, don't really have to hack. Kali Linux is one of the Linux distributions based on Debian, geared towards various information security tasks such as penetration testing, security research, data forensics, and reverse engineering. Alright, this little intro. First what we need is virtualization hypervisor. I'm gonna use VMware, where you can download it from here, from vmware.com/info/workstation player. I'm gonna link that in the description as well, so you can download it for both Windows and Linux. Alright, when we have this set, we need to also enable virtualization in our desktop or PC. First to do it, let's check whether we actually have it maybe enabled. You can do it in Performance, in CPU, in Task Manager. Here you see virtualization. I use it pretty often, I have it enabled. And in Windows 11 Home, Windows 10 Home, if you want to actually get it, you need to go to BIOS or UEFI and verify virtualization and enable it. But in Windows 10 Pro, you can just go here to turn Windows features on and off and turn on Hyper-V, as well as Virtual Machine Platform and Windows Hypervisor Platform. Then click OK. We should be good to go. After downloading VMware and enabling virtualization, we can go to download. Normally, we'll just go for installer images, get the ISO file, put it with Rufus or any other software like this, and then install it. But Kali provides us with something better: virtual machines. Here we can download ready packs for our VMs, ready to go pretty much off. Just click it for download. I actually have it right now, I got it before. And there we can just click on 7-zip compressed archive with right, extract all, and pick some location. I'm gonna go to VMs and Linuxes and select folder. Extract. It's over 13 gigabytes as you see, so it will take a while. I'm gonna leave you right here and we're gonna meet again when this copying will be done. Alright, we're back. As you see here, we've got this beautiful folder with a bunch of different files. I'll just rename it quickly to, I don't know, Kali Linux 2024. Now we go to VMware and then open the virtual machine and we search for that file folder we just extracted with VMX file. Open, and boom, we are in. Let's start it. Choose Kali Linux, nothing more. It will load a while, but as you see here, we've got fully installed Kali Linux. Log in with Kali credentials. And yeah, that's really about it. As you see here, we have full Kali installation for our learning purposes. That's at the end. Right now, I want you to configure a couple more things, and then we'll be good to go. If you want to exit the virtual machine, you just click Ctrl and Alt. Here it is. Let's close it right now. Shut down. That's it. That's really about it for this first part. See you in a second when we will configure environment, VPN, and install a couple of packages. Alright, we're back. First thing we want to do is increase amount of RAM our virtual machine has. We can go to Edit Virtual Machine Settings and Memory. If you have 32 gigs like me, you can go all the way up and increase to 8 or even 16. I'm gonna stick to 8. I think it's more than enough. If you have 8 GB of RAM overall, stick to 4. Just try to give it a bit more than 2. This way, your virtual machine will run smoothly. Click OK, and it's time to fire up our VM. See you in a while. Alright, we're in Kali. Just log in with Kali. Kali. Not Kali. K-A-I, but Kali. Yeah. Alright, what I want to do right now is a couple of things. First, I'm going to set up root password. Let's go here and type sudo passwd root. Then your password, so Kali. And first of all, new password for root. I'm gonna set it to TOR, but for God's sake, on your machine, set it up to something much more secure. It's just for example, as well as here we type TOR and we type SU dash and type our password up here. We should be good to go with root. Alright. And why is there nothing here? Probably because if someone would be watching your screen, they would know your password. And that overall, for Kali and in Debian too, that there are no asterisks up there, but it just types in the background. Alright. Next thing we will do is we're gonna download TryHackMe's VPN config files. So let's just Google quickly TryHackMe. Log in. You see I'm logged in here, but then click on your profile, go to Access, then scroll down to Machines and choose your VPN server. You can choose whichever one is closer to you. I'm running EU Regular 2. If you're a user premium, you can also run VIP servers, but I'm just gonna stick to the regular one. Then click on Download configuration file. And you should have a file with your name .ovpn right in the downloads folder. Let's fire up terminal again and run sudo openvpn downloads / your name, so here will be wizardos.ovpn download set. Why is sudo? Other way, it just won't work. It will just be thrown an error. And as you see, we're connected. Refresh. Exactly. TryHackMe. Since we are connected, we have our IP address here as well. And we're running. Alright. That's it for the configuration of VPN and overall system. Right. Let's now install a couple of packages and we'll be good to go. Alright, now we're back. It's time to install a couple of packages. First, go with RustScan. It's a port scanner. Faster than Nmap, yet still utilizing it. So let's go to releases. It's here. Scroll down. We won't be bothering with Docker right now. Let's just choose this package. Click on it, it will download. I have it right now downloaded in Downloads. Load here. In your case, it will be Rascan Floor version then AMD. You can always rename it. Then use sudo and install it with dpkg-i and name of the Debian package, rastscan.deb here. Put your password. And as you see, it's installed. We can run rust scan --version to check it. Exactly. Rascan is here. Next thing we're gonna install is GoBuster. It's another scanner, this time for directories, files, and virtual hosts. This one can be downloaded from apt repositories, so first sudo apt update. So we'll launch all the different repositories from which this packet can be pulled. Then we can just go sudo apt install GoBuster. For some personal things, I not install anything with apt for so long that this looks kind of fresh for me. Alright, now we can just go GoBuster-version. It means verbose, that's dope. Alright, as we see, GoBuster is here, it runs, and this way you can install plenty of different packages as well. I highly recommend you to go here and look through all of these, because maybe you can find something really interesting and discover a new tool for your arsenal. We have John, we have Hydra, we have Burp. Also, if I forget, let's go to cd/user share word lists. Here, as you see, you can find all the different word lists that you'd need on your way when hacking. We also have this raw cube packed here. Let's click it with the right and extract to here. Have permissions, of course. You can just go there and type sudo dinar, right click, extract here. Right now, the most popular word list for password cracking is right here in your arsenal. .txt. Also, if you need some web shells, you can go to user share web shells, and there you can find, for example, PHP simple backdoor or PHP reverse shell, which you'll also use pretty frequently. Alright, I think we can finish this video here. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed this tutorial. For any questions, just type it in the comments. I'll probably answer it. What else? When you're done with your installation, check out my write-ups so you can start learning right way on. Also, if you like what I'm doing here, go click the first link in the description. It's for my Patreon. There you'll get access to some things like faster materials, all the binaries and files that can be found in my videos, as well as a chance to get a personalized video on a topic that interests you the most, and early access to every single video I'm going to be posting. Alright, that's it for the auto promotion. Thanks a lot for watching anyways, and see you next time in either write-ups or somewhere else.